Dear students, this is ISI 2021 solution of paper 1. This is 7th video and I am solving from 33. Consider the following statements. There are two statements provided. Mean and variances of a chi-square distributions are not same. Sum of the chi-square variates is also a chi-square variate. Okay. So mean of the chi-square distribution are mean and variance are not same. So if x follows a chi-square distribution, then E of x is n, V of x is 2n, not same. So the first one is correct. Sum of the two chi-square is also chi-square. So x plus y follows a chi-square with n plus m in the above case. So option number C is correct. Next one. The correlation coefficient of a random sample from 11 of the bivariate normal there is found to be 0.6. The value of the t statistics is used to be significance of the population. Correlation coefficient is what? Okay, so here n equal to 11, r equal to 0.6, rho equal to 0. For testing this, we test the statistics is t equal to r by root over 1 minus r square by n minus 2. So degrees of freedom is n minus 2. So t equal to 0.6 root over 1 minus 0.36 n minus 2. So this is 0.6, 0.64 and this is 9. So here this is 0.6, 18 by this. So 2.2 is the final value. So t is 2.25 is the correct answer. Next. 35. Based on the two samples of 4 and 3 respectively from the two variables x and y, the ordered combination of samples formed out as x3 less than x2 less than y2 less than y3 less than x4 less than y3 less than x1. So the value of the Mann-Whitney statistics to the test the identicality of the distribution. So Mann-Whitney test for the two random samples for the with sample size n and m may be the sizes is defined as u equal to summation of m and n, and this is dij, this is I and this is maybe j, where dij equal to 1 and 0 if xi greater than yj and xi less than yj. For all values of I, 1, 2, 3, m, and j is also the same. So now here m equal to 4, n equal to 3 and all these things. So d11 is 1, d12 is also 1, d13 is 1, d21 is 0, d22 is 0, d23 is also 0, d31 is 0, d32 is 0 and d33 also 0. So d41 1, 42 1 and 43 is 0. So now with respect to u, summation 4 and 3 dij 1 plus 1 plus 1, so all these things 1 plus, so this is actually 5. So option number A is correct. Next one, 36. The variance of the Mann-Whitney statistics is used to test the identicality of two distributions based on the independent sample of size 15 and 20 respectively. So here for Mann-Whitney expectation of u equal to mn by 2, variance of u is equal to mn n plus 1 by 12. So where capital N equal to small m plus small n. So variance of u equal to 15 into 20 and 15 plus 20 plus 1 by 12. So variance of u here we will get as 900. So option number yes, D is correct.